Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss with you how can we stop or block Windows Update. Personally, I always prefer update because update is very essential for our operating system. But many viewers and my clients request me to make a video about how can we stop or block Windows Update. So let's start. Today I will discuss 3 steps or 3 methods to stop Windows Update. To block Windows Update, you have to press Windows button and R on your keyboard together. The run command will appear. Then here write services.msc and click OK. From here, we have to find Windows Update option. Windows Update. Find Windows Update and double click that. Here you will find startup type and there is a down arrow. Click the down arrow and click disable and stop the service status and click apply OK. Again open the Windows Update and check is service status is stopped or start. Is stopped, then OK. Your Windows Update now stopped. Then go to the recovery option. You will find fast failure and also here a drop down option. Click the drop down option and select take no action. Second failure, click the drop down and click take no action and reset fail count after. You can give a day. I will give a day 2000 days and click apply OK. Now your Windows Update will stop. After doing first step, we have to do second step. Now we have to open Google Chrome. Right here, Windows Update Blocker. Windows Update Blocker and press enter. Here you will find a website www.sordum.org, sordum.org. Click download Windows Update Blocker. Your download should start automatically in a few seconds. If your download does not start automatically, please click here. Click the direct download link below here. My download is already complete. Go to the download folder and extract the files. Here the extract folder WUB. Double click it and you will find WUB and WUB-X64. For Windows 10 and 11, select WUB-X64. 64 is the version of your Windows 11 or 12. Maybe some Windows 10 have 32 version, but generally Windows 11 has 64 version. Select WUB-X64 and right click and click Run as Administrator. There is two options: enable updates and disable updates. Select disable updates. Select protect service settings and click apply now. After a few seconds, wait for a few seconds. Now your service status service is disabled and protected. That means your Windows update is already blocked. Cross that. Now your update is totally permanently blocked. By these two methods you can permanently block Windows update, but I will give you another step to confirm the blocking of Windows update. Now dear friend, you have to press Windows key and R together on your keyboard. Write regedit and click OK. Here you will find Heki local machine and expand that. Select software and expand that. Now find policies and expand that. Select Microsoft and expand that. Select Windows and expand that. Here you have to add a new key. Name it Windows Update. But very careful, you please write as I write. Here W in caps, U in caps. Then select Windows Update and click again, right click and create a new another key. Name AU in caps. Select AU. In the right side of the AU, right side panel, right click and create a new DWORD 32 value. Name NoAutoUpdate. Here N in caps, A in caps and U is caps, and give the value of the data is 1 and click OK. Doing this, your Windows update will be permanently blocked and restart the system. Thank you friend. See you again. Subscribe my channel. Namaskar.